Hello there again. I'm just going to do a quick video on this Avalon peach tree to show you what you can grow in your own small back garden. Now if you like stone fruits like I do, I suggest you grow one of these. It's not very hard. You can have a nice tree like this in your garden yourself. Now just a quick video this is. Now first of all, have a look how beautiful this Avalon peach tree is. It's added for about 2 years, so it must be at least 3 to 4 years old. Look at the foliage on this, look at the leaves. Beautiful. Not one peach curl on it. New growth all over. I pruned this February, and I took all the flowers off about 3-4 months ago. And the reason is because it's a young peach tree, I wanted the roots to get stronger so that I can have a better peaches next year. But I missed a couple, and this is the result. Here we are. 2 young peaches, and there's one down here. Look how beautiful this peach is. Like I said, not one peach curl, and there's a reason for that. I think you get peach curls if you don't protect it, and sometimes you get peach curls by the feed you give it. I sprayed it about 3 times this year to stop it getting fungus. So here is the simple way of growing it. I put it into the ground here, and in January I raked in a farmyard manure, organic farmyard manure, to give it a good start. And I put an ant stopper on here, which is my invention, and I've checked it the last couple of days, and I haven't seen one ant on this tree, or aphids or black fly or anything. It's clean as a whistle, and I think that trick worked. Now January, February, when I raked in the farmyard manure, 3 months later I gave it a bit of a seaweed, organic seaweed, and then last month I gave it a fish blood and bone. And look, that's the result. Like I said, you don't need a big space to grow a small tree like this, which you would get fruit from it after about 3-4 years. You just have to be patient, and I can assure you, once you get peaches on it, this tree is going to look beautiful with them colors hanging on the branches. You can even grow this in a pot. I'll let it get a little bit bigger. I wouldn't let it go more than 6 foot. And then when it goes into a dormancy, I should prune it again, maybe December or end of January, just before it comes out of dormancy. Beautiful, beautiful tree. And here is the Saturn peach, which I did exactly the same, and I left 20% of the flowers on this, and this is the result I'm getting. Loads of fruits on this. So if you want to, or if you like stone fruits like peaches, try it at home. Get yourself a semi-dwarf peach tree and do what I did. Simple, and it makes the garden look very nice indeed.